Dear all students, myself Ms. Komal Jadhav, working as a lecturer in Shri Sant Krupa Shikshan Samstha College of Pharmacy, D-Pharm, Gogaon. Today I am going to discuss about remaining part of vitamin. In previous part I have discussed about what is definition of vitamin, what is classification of vitamins, and first part of classification of fat soluble vitamins. In brief about vitamin A, D, E and K. Today I am going to discuss about water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are found in yeast, grain, rice, vegetable, fish and meat. These are essential coenzymes required in energy releasing mechanism. They also act as coenzyme for metabolism of protein, carbohydrate and fats. They include vitamin B1 means thiamine, vitamin B2 means riboflavin, vitamin B3 means niacin, vitamin B5 means pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 means pyridoxine, vitamin B7 means biotin, vitamin B9 means folic acid, vitamin B12 means cobalamin and vitamin C means ascorbic acid. In brief about thiamine, vitamin B1. It is also called anti-beriberi factor, anti-neurotic factor and also called as anurin. It is colorless basic organic compound composed of sulfated pyrimidine ring. All organisms use thiamine, but it is synthesized only in bacteria, fungi and plants. It contains sulfur and nitrogen group. It is destroyed by alkaline and heat. Image showing vitamin B1 thiamine. Source: rice polishing, wheat germ and yeast. Cereal grains, beers, peas, nuts, liver, heart, kidney, egg, oilseed, vegetable and fruits are the good source of thiamine. Daily requirements: infants 0.4 mg, children 1.8 mg, adults 1.5 mg for diet of 2000 to 3000 calories. Function: it is very essential for converting carbohydrates into energy. It helps in maintaining healthy nervous system. It is necessary for healthy mucous membrane. It helps in digestion of food. Second, riboflavin means vitamin B2, lactoflavin. It is water soluble and heat stable compound which is sensitive to light. It consists of diribotyl and heterocyclic substances isoalexin. It is sensitive to light. When solution is exposed to light, it is rapidly destroyed. Image showing vitamin B2 means riboflavin. Source: anaerobic fermenting bacteria, milk liver, kidney, heart, fish, cereals, roots, germinating wheat and barley are the good source of riboflavin. Daily requirements: infants 0.4 to 0.6 mg, children 0.8 to 1.2 mg, adults male 1.5 to 1.8 mg, adults female 1 to 1.4 mg, lactating woman 1.4 to 1.9 mg. Daily requirements needed. Physiological role: it involved in regulatory functions of some hormones connected to carbohydrate metabolism. Free riboflavin present in retina is converted by light to a compound involved in stimulation of optic nerve. It acts as compound in electron transport chain in mitochondria. It catalyzes the hydrogen transporting flavoproteins. Third, niacin, vitamin B3. Niacin is a pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. It occurs in tissue as a niacinamide. It is soluble in water. Image showing niacin or nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. The daily requirements is infant 5 to 8 mg needed, children 9 to 16 mg, adult male 16 to 20 mg, adult female 12 to 16 mg, lactating woman 16 to 20 mg and pregnant woman 14 to 18 mg niacin daily required. Source: yeast, liver, milk, eggs, tomatoes, leafy green vegetables, most of fruits and vegetables are good source of niacin. After that, physiological role. Nicotinic acid is essential for normal function of skin, intestinal tract and nervous system. Lack of vitamin B2 and B6 causes deficiency of niacin due to impaired production from tryptophan. Nicotinic acid is used therapeutically for lowering plasma cholesterol. This is the physiological role of niacin. Next, pyridoxine. Chemistry. Pyridoxine occurs into nature and is mixture of three compounds such as pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. Source is rice polishing, certain seeds such as wheat and corn, milk, meat, leafy vegetables, liver, fish, fruits and vegetables are the good source of pyridoxine. The image showing mixture of three compounds pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. Daily requirements of pyridoxine is infants 0.3 mg, children 0.6 to 1.2 mg, adults male 1.6 to 2 mg, adult female 1.6 to 2 mg, lactating woman 2.5 mg and pregnant woman 2.5 mg pyridoxine needed. Physiological role. It is essential for growth infants. Muscle phosphorylase contains 70 to 80% of total body vitamins B6. It acts as coenzyme in the form of pyridoxal phosphate. It acts as coenzyme in transformation reaction and as decarbolizase in reaction. These are the physiological role of pyridoxine. Next, pantothenic acid. It contains beta-alanine pantoic acid joined through a peptide bond. It is present in tissue in the form of acetyl-CoA. It is highly soluble in water and destroyed in acid or alkaline medium and can be autoclaved up to 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Source: jelly, yeast, liver, rice polishing, wheat germ, milk, meat, eggs, leafy vegetables, fruits and other vegetables, peanuts and sweet potatoes are the good source of pantothenic acid. Image showing pantothenic acid. It contains pantothenic acid part and beta-alanine part. Daily requirements. Infants 1 to 2 mg, children 4 to 5 mg, adults male 5 to 10 mg, adult female 5 to 10 mg, lactating woman 10 to 15 mg and pregnant woman 10 to 15 mg daily required. Physiological role. Pantothenic acid is essential for growth of infants and children. It is component of acetyl coenzyme A required for several fundamental reactions in metabolism. Coenzyme combines with acetate to form active acetate, which is directly utilized by combination with oxaloacetate to form citric acid, which initiates the citric acid cycle. Next, lipoic acid. Chemistry. It is a sulfur-containing fatty acid dithioctonic acid. It is soluble in water. Daily requirements not yet established. Source: it is distributed in natural foods. Physiological role. It acts as coenzyme in oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid and alpha-ketoglutarate acid. Deficiency manifestation. No deficiency symptoms have so far been established for this vitamin. Next, biotin. Biotin is a sulfur-containing heterocyclic monocarboxylic acid which functions as coenzyme. It is highly soluble in hot water. It forms salt with alkali hydroxide. It's stable to autoclaving at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at neutral pH. Source of biotin: egg yolk, liver, kidney, yeast, milk, tomatoes, fruits, vegetable and human milk are the good source of biotin. Daily requirement. Infants 10 to 15 mg, children 20 to 40 mg, adults 50 to 60 mg biotin daily required. Image showing biotin means vitamin H or vitamin B7. Thank you all of you.